The following segment is sponsored by Uplift Families. The best gifts aren't always wrapped in paper with bows. Margaret Wallstrom is here with a simply beautiful way to spread Christmas cheer. Welcome to the show, Margaret. Great to see you.
Thank you. It's always so good to be here.
Oh, we're happy to have you. Okay, how can we make this season more meaningful as we think about the ways to celebrate and giving gifts?
Well, you know, I have known a lot of people that have struggled at this time of year with depression, with anxiety, with personal things that they're trying to deal with. And I think the best way that we can overcome some of these obstacles in finding real joy in Christmas is to be able to look outside of ourselves and find service and other ways to help other people find joy in the Christmas season.
Oh, that is so true, Margaret. And what are ways that we can achieve this, do you think?
Well, you know, all of the medical professionals have said that the best way to deal with these kinds of things is to do service and to look for ways to help other people. And you know, one year I did 12 days of Christmas with my family. I wanted to teach them to do service. And I think looking into our communities and our neighborhoods and finding ways that we can help others find joy in Christmas is really important. I think it's a good way to teach our families how to look beyond themselves and not just what they're getting for Christmas, but what they can give.
This is so true, and it just makes you feel so good when you're giving. That really does help. Now, what kind of things can we put on our kindness calendar? I love that.
Well, it's December 1st, and so the first thing I would invite everyone to do is start a kindness giving calendar of service. And there's lots of ideas online you can go to, but you know what? It's a lot more fun if you come up with the ideas yourself. So sit down with yourself or your family or whoever you want to do this with, a group, and find ways each day and write them on your calendar so you have a plan in mind of ways that you can give. And I know that Channel 2 is involved with the giving trees.
The Angel Tree program. We love doing that every year.
I love that program. We have a list online at upliftfamilies.org and also on your website of different organizations that you can contact to find ways how to reach out and serve your community.
Well, and I think we need to remember it doesn't need to be big. You know, if we just do small acts, that's amazing too, right?
Well, just before Halloween, I got a knock on my door, and I opened the door, and here's these darling teenage girls all dressed up for Halloween. It was a few days before Halloween, and I didn't know them, but they said, trick or treat, and I was kind of like, oh, well, I'll go find my candy. And they said, no, 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 this is a reverse trick or treat. We are treating you. And they were going around the neighborhood finding ways to do service. They said, is there something we can do for you? And they gave me some candy too, but they came in and just cleaned my bathroom. And I mean, there's so many fun ways that you can reach out and bring joy to someone else without spending a lot of money.
Absolutely.
And just giving of yourself.
Absolutely. Margaret, thank you for the reminder. Where can we go for more information real quick?
upliftfamilies.org or also on your website.
You're amazing. Thank you, and happy holidays, Margaret.
Thank you.